All right, everyone, welcome back to Very Simple English, the podcast. Today, we're diving into something super relatable, talking about your day. I mean, who doesn't live a routine, right? It's like that reliable friend we all have in our lives. You know, the one who always shows up, maybe sometimes a little late, but is always there when you need them.
That's so true. I have this one friend who always says she's just 5 minutes away, but wow, it feels like hours sometimes. Haha.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of a daily routine. It's familiar. We wake up, we eat, we groove through the day, and before you know it, it's night. But when we talk about our day in English, we're doing something powerful.
Oh, really? So it's not just about speaking, but transforming our thoughts into English too? I can picture waking up and describing it. It's like a mental exercise, right?
Absolutely. When you describe your day, you're not just reciting words, you're building connections in your brain. For instance, when I say, I usually wake up around 7 o'clock, I can practically feel my feet hit the floor, and I smell that first cup of coffee brewing.
Wow, I can almost smell it too. But what if I wake up in a panic? Like my alarm goes off and I shoot out of bed like a rocket. Does that count?
Oh, definitely. That's a perfect way to illustrate your morning. Whether it's a leisurely start or a crazy wake-up call, it's all about your experience. Think about it like this. Describing your morning scene is like painting a picture with your words, and everyone wants to see that masterpiece.
Haha, I love that. So can we try practicing? What if I say, I usually wake up late and then rush to get ready?
Exactly. And don't forget those details. Maybe you're frantically brushing your teeth while trying to choose an outfit. That adds flavor to your story.
Ooh, flavor. Like flavor in food. Speaking of which, do you think our morning routines have a direct impact on how we tackle our day, like during lunch or everything that follows?
Absolutely. What we do in the morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. If you take a moment to breathe and enjoy breakfast, it's like filling up your car with gas before a long trip. And in the afternoon, when I return to work, it feels a lot different.
Yeah, I feel super sluggish after lunch sometimes. Like I need a nap or something. Ugh.
That's real. It's like our bodies are saying, hey, let's slow down for a bit. But that's why taking short breaks is essential. You know, maybe a quick walk or practicing English with a podcast.
Ooh, I love that idea. Kind of like a caffeine boost for your brain?
Exactly. It refreshes your mind. Picture this. You're stuck in a traffic jam, and then there's that one street that opens up, right? That's your afternoon break.
Haha, I can see it now. What about the evenings?
In the evenings, it's like the day wraps up in a warm blanket. You get home, change into comfy clothes. That's the best feeling. And dinner with family? That's where stories are shared.
Right? Like those funny family moments?
Yes, those are the gems we treasure. After dinner, it's time to wind down. Listening to calm music or reading, it's like giving your mind a spa treatment.
I can almost feel the relaxation. What if, I like to watch a show to unwind?
That's perfect too. It's all about finding what relaxes you before bed. And you know, at nighttime, we reflect on our day, kind of like writing in a journal, but verbally.
Wow, I never thought about it like that. So how can we, what's the best way to practice?
Well, simply think about your day, morning, afternoon, evening, and talk through it slowly. It's about progression, not perfection. Just keep speaking, and soon, it will feel second nature.
I'm feeling inspired. I'm definitely gonna try it out. Thank you for this.
You're welcome. Keep shining, and remember, steady progress is key.